They have turned the mall into like a hub for all of the power companies, man. Command Center, Georgia Power Command Center. This is nuts. I ain't never seen nothing like this. Find the thing, boy. Cut them Lions today.
What time do they play?
Usually they probably gonna go 9-7 like they always do. Come on, let's go. There it is. I thought Ebron was hurt.
He was hurt.
I want to play that other tight end. Play that 4th round tight end. You can't press him, dude. I still want him to catch the ball. We got an NO, baby. Glover Quinn. They should beat this team. Carson Palmer is no longer Carson Palmer. I can look at how his ball is coming off. If we can stop shooting ourselves in the foot, we'd be all right. I don't like Cooter. This is why Stafford gets so many interceptions, man, because he throws so hard. He throwing 5-yard passes. They pop up. Guys get interceptions, man.
He's in comeback mode right now.
Stafford he's better throwing 10, 15-yard passes. He's not a great deep passer. He's not an incredible short-range passer. But mid-range, he might be the best in the league. They go trips. Yeah, run the ball. I would have ran the ball to the other side. You go trips to the right. Why run to the right? Unless you put 2 tight ends out there. If you go trips right, run to the left, bring the fullback to the other side, have him do a crack block, then you got one man to beat. But again, what do I know? What do I know? I'm only one of the greatest Madden players of all time. I had no idea Donald Trump was freaking 70 years old. I mean, I knew he was in the 60s. I thought he was like 66 or something. Get him. Oh, good play. Who that? Hey, that boy Diggs can play. I told y'all when they drafted him. Was he a 2nd round, 3rd round pick? Texas? Alexa, who is Quandre Diggs?
I don't know that.
Alexa, who is Tom Brady?
The world is the planet Earth and all life upon it, including
Alexa, who is Tom Brady?
Thomas Edward Patrick Brady Jr. is an American football quarterback for the New England
Full name.
National Football League.
Exactly.
I didn't know he was a junior. Learn something.
No, I'm gonna see if Alexis is racist. Alexa, who is Larry Fitzgerald?
Larry Darnell Fitzgerald Jr. is an American football wide receiver for the Arizona Cardinals of the National Football League.
Alexa, who is Adrian Peterson?
Adrian Lewis Peterson is an American football running back for the New Orleans Saints of the National Football League.
Okay, I gotta come on down a little bit. All right. Who's like a 2nd tier player? Give me some play. Okay. Alexa, who is Ty Hilton?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
The way that
All the lights just went out. Man. I was afraid of this. I'm in a trade right now. Can't even see what's going on.
thought you could look on your phone.
Man. I'm not about to stay here, man. You have to be a hotel. I'm not trying to do that, but I mean, you got the lobby, they got the free Wi-Fi. The question is, how long are we gonna be like this? That's the question. I don't believe that the thing is even here.
Well, he said it was 400 miles wide. So the eye may not be here, but his arms and legs could be here.
400 miles wide. Do you know how stupid that sounds?
Yeah, so his body is here.
This is my backyard. Yeah, nothing but large trees. So, I always get nervous, man. We ain't got no power. And you say this is the perfect time to fold clothes.
There ain't nothing else to do.
Please explain this sitting position.
I was trying to stay warm.
Two feet on top of the chair. The Hello Kitty for booty protection.
You're the one that told me to put it there in the first place.
You want to get in your bed, get in the bed.
This thing is uncomfortable.
What's uncomfortable?
The chair and the...
Get in the bed. Stanky face. Get rid of you. Stanky face. Yeah. So, it's the situation right now. No power. We're gonna try to wait this thing out, man.
My husband stayed, but he never lost power. The house held together. We ran. We didn't put up any boards or anything like that. So
It's tough. I don't know, but we came here to escape the storm, but you know, I like it up here, so I'm even contemplating that. Because Miami gets South Florida is just such a different place.
So, that's where we at. It's a little sad room tour. It's cool. Nothing to complain about, man. It's a whole lot of people without a lot of stuff right now. So, bed number 1, bed number 2. My son can't make the chair go back. Watch Big Mama.
That's about all I could do.
Stop it.
You not little, dude. So that's why it's leaning back for you
Let me
easily.
try.
Put a booty in the way. Let's do it.
Oh,
No, don't try to hide now. I told you. Why? Why? I don't care if it's a storm or not. Hurricane or not.
I said something earlier. Why didn't you change when we came back?
Oh, so then your sister done said something. Izzy, dude, you can't be like that with your hygiene, bro.
40 people rode that storm out here in this town. Gary Stringer lives in this red house you see here behind me. I talked to him a little while ago. He was in one of those front rooms.
Yo, we without power.
The storm was coming, just sawing its way through this.
Had to get a hotel, all that, man, please. It ain't nothing compared to what these people going through.
And when you look out of his
So we got lucky, so
this giant tree
don't feel sorry for us. Look at that.
was blowing east to west.
Yikes.
Day at the water's peak today Today, at high tide around 2 o'clock, waters were 5.5 feet above what they typically are at that high tide time. I wouldn't have dared hours ago been standing where I am now. This is one of the many entry points where you can see the waters of this river lapping up over the seawall here and heading into downtown. Now, since that high tide peak, well, the waters have receded some, but you can see the visuals of the damage here. This is a floating dock that normally would be rising and falling with the height of the water. The water, that storm surge came up so strong,
Wow.
it broke those floating docks to the point where they are pushed up against that wall, unable to bob with the water as you would expect it to. Now, these waters, as I said, have begun to recede, but in speaking with the mayor just a short while ago, he said, don't be fooled by that. You may see pockets where the streets will dry out, but when you think about how far back this water was at one point, 3 blocks into downtown, 3 blocks that way, and the other direction to me,
Nah. You heard your mama snoring last night?
Yes, but you were way louder.
What do you know? No. I'm just talking about your mama.
She was normal.
No, she wasn't no normal.
You were the one snoring.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Just wanted to make sure y'all heard y'all Cinderella mama.
No, you
Snoring.
woke your son up. That's why he was up.
No, it wasn't. He was arguing about some cover.
No, he first couldn't sleep.
No, he wasn't trying to sleep. Arguing about cover. They know what's going on. That's why he ain't saying nothing.
He said, how you do it? How do you sleep through that? That's what he asked me.
Yeah, you should have blogged that.
In the middle at one.
Whatever. You the one arguing about cover, keeping me up.
You tell me where to put my feet. Like, really?
What do you mean telling you where to put your
I say,
feet?
Farrah, put your feet down. I'm like, would you be quiet and let me sleep?
You always be worried about folk, man. Too much. About to check out. See if we got power.
Oh,
What? Wow.
What? Hold on, bruh.
that's multiple.
That thing is on top of an electric thing. That thing could have cut.
Caught on fire.
Yeah?
Hold on, man. Pull up a little bit.
Goodness
Coming over
gracious.
there. Down lines.
The whole street.
How? I don't understand.
He's on the street.
I mean, but you gotta look at the tree. This Hurricane Irma, dude, it's no joke, man. What? It's no joke, man. What happened to this tree? Power lines. This is my block. This is across the street. If this had a failed the other way, man, that's their house. Look at that, man. Man, we're so lucky. Man, God is good. If that tree falls the other way, that's that house, man. And like my house, they surrounded by trees, man. Yo, man. Yo, man. This is absolute. We didn't even get hit like that. Yeah, the mall is out.
Yeah, it was dark last night. I couldn't see.
He said none of the restaurants got no power right now either.
It was weird over here. I'm trying to tell you. No lights.
Back home, you can't tell by the camera because it's a pretty good low light camera, but we're still without power. Let me show you what it really looks like. This is what it really looks like. Showed y'all I'm surrounded by trees. None of them fell. God, it's not even a branch. Any one of these trees could fall on my house. We do have a leak coming in. We just painted this and gonna have to fix that, but that's minor. So this is how you know that we're dealing with a catastrophic situation. We actually ate McDonald's last night. That was the only thing. That was the only thing that was open. So, how did you feel?
Stomach was bubbling soon after I
We got power. Yeah. I predicted it. I said I'm gonna eat my food and the power gonna come on. Didn't I say that, babe?
don't know.
You don't know.
I don't call those exact words.
Wait, what are you talking about? That's exactly what I said. Hold on. See, you don't be want to give me a joke. I gotta call on my kids. My kids is good report. Come in here. Your mama always trying to hate. Who heard me? Y'all heard me. It's y'all did. I said it loud. I said the lights gonna come on by the time I finish my food.
I think you said it in your head and we never heard it.
I said it out loud. You know what? Y'all suck. I know what I said. No, I said it. It's all right. Are you happy to power back on?
Yes.
All right, let's see your best power back on dance. Let's go. Come on.
Now your turn.
No, what do you mean?
Come on.
I'm anonymous.
Show a toe, a hand.
A toe?
Oh, no.
Dorothy.
Like Dorothy.